Okay, we're trying to figure out the best way to do this. Okay, so I made it down to the water in the hospital chair. He's gonna bring the ski around, and then I'm just gonna kind of float out here and try to kneel on it. Should be entertaining. So you want to hold on to that?
Is it going?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'll probably go out here a little bit further.
Do you want to hold the pole for us?
That's okay, dude. What are you doing?
Gonna ride that thing? Yeah, it's on. I think it should be going.
Jimmy, you can ride the set down.
Oh yeah. Here, hold that for it. I guess I can drag that out. Thank you, Kevin. You can kill it.
A little bit of a current.
Yeah. That was awesome.
Get tired really quick though. It's really hard to control the porpoising when you're sitting on the back. I mean, when I was standing up, that took a while to get used to. Sweet.
All right, let's kind of grab this for a second.
Yeah.
Grab your chair.
Okay, thanks. I know, right? It's a good excuse to do it, I guess. At least I'm not hot anymore. Yeah, I overpaid for it. It was 75 bucks. I'm just gonna sit here for a minute, I think. All right.
Nice.
I'll probably just sit here for a few minutes.
Recoup.
Yeah. That was like, I was trying to hold myself up and forward with my arms, so zap my energy. I think this is a good spot to sit. Nice and cool.